Thanksgiving is more than a holiday. It's a moment to pause, reflect, and give thanks for who we are as a school, for what we have built together, and for the future we continue to shape as a community.
In our diverse EABH village, gratitude takes many forms. We come from different backgrounds, speak different languages, and bring unique stories.
What unites us is our EABH connection, the sum of all the experiences lived and shared as students, teachers, and families during our time in Belo Horizonte at EABH.
As we continue to follow the EABH strategic plan, the roadmap that guides us into the future, we invite our community to reflect and share. What are you thankful for?
I am grateful for all the EABH families and students and staff who came before us, the visionaries of the past who dreamt of and built the beautiful school we have today. I hope we can honor their boldness and their commitment as we complete our EABH master plan and leave a legacy for generations to come.
I'm truly grateful for the opportunities EABH provides for my growth, both as a leader and an educator. Attending the Women's Symposium in the United States was especially meaningful. Being surrounded by inspiring women educators from around the world encouraged me to reflect deeply on my own practice and purpose. These experiences strengthened my commitment to supporting students with greater intention and to guiding teachers in shifting both their instructional practices and their mindset through thoughtful and intentional coaching methods. They have reinforced my belief in the power of reflective dialogue to change thinking, elevate teaching, and build a stronger, more connected community.
I'm thankful for the opportunities EABH provides for professional growth and learning. Like the time I went to Panama for the AMISA Teacher Conference in 2024, where I connected with educators from all over the world and learned some amazing strategies and came back inspired and energized. I'm grateful for the incredible collaboration we have on our campus, co-teaching and co-planning with colleagues who genuinely care about students has helped me grow so much as an educator. Every shared lesson, every brainstorm session, and every moment we support one another reminds me of how blessed I am to be part of this community. This Thanksgiving, I'm thankful for a school that invests in us, believes in us, and gives us the space to keep learning together.
I'm grateful for the way our community comes together. Our teamwork and collaboration makes us feel like one school. Whether we are learning, solving challenges, or celebrating achievements, we do it side by side. That sense of community is something that I cherish deeply.
As the great American singer-songwriter Willie Nelson once wrote, "When I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around." Here at EABH, I get to count my blessings every day. From interacting with our amazing students, parents, and seeing our wonderful teachers inspire and nurture our students every day, it's truly a blessing to be part of this community. I want to take a moment just to thank you for all of your support, let you know how grateful we are, and wish you and your family a happy Thanksgiving. Go Hawks.
We have so many blessings to be grateful for. And for Thanksgiving, we would like to wish you and your family
happiness, friendship,
community,
friends, family, health,
peace,
love.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Thank you for your trust.